The Lehigh River, a tributary of the Delaware River, is a 109-mile-long, 175 kilometers river located in eastern Pennsylvania, in the United States. Part of the Lehigh, along with a number of its tributaries, is designated a Pennsylvania Scenic River by the state's Department of Conservation and Natural Resources. Lehigh is an Anglicization of the Lenape name for the river, Lechewuekink, meaning where there are forks. Course. The river flows in a highly winding course through valleys between ridges of the Appalachian Mountains. Its upper course is characterized by numerous whitewater rapids and supports a broad range of recreational pursuits including whitewater rafting, kayaking and canoeing. Its lower course forms the heart of the Lehigh Valley, a historically important anthracite coal and steel producing region of Pennsylvania. The river rises in the Pocono Mountains of northeastern Pennsylvania, in several ponds in Lehigh Township, Wayne County, approximately 15 miles, 24 kilometers, southeast of Scranton. It flows initially southwest, through southern Lackawanna County, through Francis E. Walter Reservoir. Near Whitehaven it turns south, following a zigzag whitewater course through Lehigh Gorge State Park to Jim Thorpe, then southeast, past Lehighton. Southeast of Lehighton, it passes through Blue Mountain in a narrow opening called the Lehigh Gap. From the Lehigh Gap, the river flows southeast to Allentown, where it is joined by Little Lehigh Creek, then northeast past Bethlehem, where it joins the Delaware River in eastern, along Pennsylvania's border with New Jersey. The PA Gazetteer of Streams shows that the Lehigh River begins as the outflow of Pocono Peak Lake, flowing south from the south end of the lake, a natural but dammed body of water. It turns west after a mile and receives water from many lakes and ponds as it flows past the borough of Goldsboro. Fishing. The Lehigh River holds many species of fish, such as trout, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, pickerel, panfish, carp, catfish and the fish of 10,000 casts. The notorious muskellunge, muskie, trout, both rainbow and brown in the 18–20 range are average, while some have been caught into the mid to upper 20 inches range. Smallmouth bass are large in numbers but are of smaller size, with most between 8–14, with an occasional fish from the 18–21 range. There is an increasing number of muskie being reported within the 30–52 range. There are both pure and tiger muskie, the usually sterile, hybrid offspring of the true muskellunge, Esox maskinongi, and the northern pike, Esox lucius, being caught in the river. Whitewater boating. The Lehigh River is a whitewater river with Class 1, 2, and 3 rapids. The most popular section of the Lehigh River for whitewater rafting, kayaking, and canoeing is through the Lehigh Gorge State Park. The Lehigh Gorge State Park begins at the Francis E. Walter Dam and ends in the town of Jim Thorpe, PA. Several whitewater outfitters operate guided whitewater rafting trips in various sections of the river. The first rafting outfitter on the Lehigh River was Whitewater Challengers, which was founded in 1975. Water releases from the Francis E. Walter Dam provide enough water to make the river deep enough for boating. 3 popular boating trips on the Lehigh River are Whitehaven to Rockport 8.7 miles, Rockport to Glen Onoco 12.2 miles, Whitehaven to Glen Onoco 20.9 miles. See also Delaware and Lehigh National Heritage Corridor, Lehigh Canal, List of Pennsylvania rivers. Fast facts about Lehigh River. Lehigh Earth Observatory's Envirosci Inquiry. Retrieved 5 May 2008. U.S. Geological Survey. PA Stream Gauging Stations. Water flow at Francis E. Walter Reservoir Outlet. Lehigh River Watershed Conservation Management Plan. Lehigh River and Canal at Jim Thorpe. Lehigh River Whitewater Rafting. Lehigh River Fly Fishing Adventures. Lehigh River Sojourn. Lehigh River Watershed Association. Lehigh River Water Trail. Lehigh River Whitewater. Lehigh River Whitewater Rafting. Pennsylvania Scenic River's website. Lehigh River Rafting with Whitewater Challenges.